Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome, everyone, and welcome Nexo. This is a speaking class to practice speaking using what we learned before, free time activities and the present continuous, through 3 exercises.
Great. I am ready to speak and practice.
Nice. Let's keep it simple and natural today. First, shadowing helps you listen and repeat short sentences with a natural rhythm. Next, read aloud helps you read a short text clearly and with confidence. Finally, describe the picture helps you talk about what you see in a simple way.
That sounds useful, and the order feels easy to follow.
Perfect. Let's start with shadowing. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Shadowing. In shadowing, listen and repeat right after each phrase, trying to copy the sound and rhythm.
Okay, I will listen first and then repeat.
I am reading. She is drawing. They are swimming. He is dancing. We are singing. My dad is cooking. You are running. I am walking. They are playing football. She is watching TV. He is listening to music. I am riding a bike. Are you listening? Is he running? She isn't cooking now. They aren't dancing today. Read aloud. Good work with shadowing. Now, read aloud means reading the text out loud. Nexo will read it first, and then you should pause the video to read it calmly.
I am ready to read it. It is Saturday morning, and I am walking in the park with my sister. She is riding a bike, and I am listening to music. Near us, 2 children are playing football, and a man is running slowly. Everyone looks happy, and the day feels simple and bright.
Well done, Nexo. You did it well. Now it is your turn, so pause the video and read the text aloud.
You can do it slowly and clearly.
Describe the picture. Great job, everyone. Now, in Describe the Picture, describe what you see. Try to use the vocabulary shown and the grammar we studied. Nexo will try first, and then it will be your turn.
I will look carefully and use simple sentences. In the picture, a family is enjoying a sunny day in the park. A boy is riding a bike, and two children are playing football on the grass. Near the tree, a girl is reading, and her friend is drawing a cat. In the small pool, one child is swimming. A woman is cooking at a picnic table. Other people are walking, running, dancing, and listening to music.
Now, it is your turn. Pause the video and describe the picture in your own way, using the words shown.
Short sentences are okay, right?
Yes. Do not make it complicated. Use short and simple sentences. Word. Running. Example. A boy is running. Word. Reading. Example. A girl is reading. Now pause and speak. Little by little, you will do it better.